last video, I organized, oh, by the way, I showed you my fidgets. And by the way, I found a pea puppet and a butt chain still in there. And, I am going to be doing a tour and organization of fidget. I know I just did an a tour, but I will basically. So, I like to organize it by, I like to have bottom puppets, middle, like just normal ones, and then pop tubes on the top. So, let's start. Let me try something real quick. No, it won't work. So, guys, and if I pause in the middle of this video, it's because I am going on a call with my friend Katie. So, and this I also did not show because it was behind where my fidgets usually are, and I didn't think that anything would be there, but whatever. So, we have, first grab the red poppets. I think I only have two. Yeah, I only have two. So, I put those at the start of the rainbow. Okay, then I grab orange poppets. And I have at least three. Because I have literally three ones. I don't see any more orange ones. So, let's put those there. And then we need yellow. And I know I have this one. And I don't see any other ones. So just this one. Then we have green. I know I have a lot of green ones. Should I count this avocado? I don't know, but I am. Because I usually also do a multicolor one. But I'm counting it. I know it's multicolored, but sometimes you have to be a little bit nutty. Oh, I forgot a green one. I have to have three that's green circled. I missed a lot. That's all. I'm trying to fit all of these, but it's not working. Not at all. Guys, what's your favorite song? Comment down below. Mine is probably, I like Imagine Dragons Believer. So yeah. Do you have any purple puppets? I do have one. I am going to count this as purple because the majority of it is purple. Then I do pink, and then multicolored. And I have a lot of multicolored ones because, yeah, multicolored ones look pretty good for some reason. I have a new way of organizing. I'm not going to organize it like this. Sorry, I just wasted 3 minutes of your time and said I'm not organizing it like this. I'm sorry. So, yeah. This time you should probably just leave, but okay. So we're going to try something new. We're going to just, I'm going to see if I'm all in this time. So we're just going to set them, stack them, like this. Because it has a roof, so it should be good. Okay, I'm going to continue doing that. 5 looks from everybody in the room. I also really like All Eyes on Me. All Eyes on Me. What's your favorite song? I know you said that, but I'm dumb. Yeah, I'm really dumb. Not in school. Everyone says I'm the smartest girl in the class, but you really have to try hard for that title. I don't think I'm actually the smartest girl in the class. You have to try hard for the smartest person in your class. And even being the smartest person in the class is a big opportunity. Like, I don't think I'm ready for that opportunity yet. and then I'll be even. And I don't know. I don't think I'll be walking. Okay, so far, it's looking like this. Not looking that good. I have to say that. So yeah, kind of devastated. So I think I'm gonna add my mini puppets, and then so I'm gonna add my mini puppets in a little corner in there. How fat looks from everybody in the room. All eyes on me, cause I'm still bad. Yeah, cause I literally got a 19 out of 25 on my test today, and I don't think it's that good. I don't think that's that good skill on the test. 19 out of 25. I've definitely scored better. And I don't know if I can do it. By the way, I'm playing softball. The sports I've played is soccer, dance, cheer, gymnastics. And I want to try something new like softball. Because I want to do something more athletic. I did do soccer, but I didn't really like it. So yeah. What? Okay, I'm back. So, yeah, we have that. But I don't. Oh, here's another one. I will show you. I'm sorry that this is just like talking, because I don't really know what else to do, honestly. So, yeah. Found some more. Dinner time! Just kidding. Why would I eat dinner at like 3:30? Sorry. Perfect looks from everybody in the room. I think that's all now. Hopefully. Because, yeah. I think what I'm going to do is squishies. Because I have a good amount of squishies, and they take them all the way when I put them up there. So, I think I'm going to put them right here. And I think it'll look pretty good. Hopefully, at least. So, yeah. Let's see. Oh, I found a puppet. It's a lightning bolt. Ha-cha! Ha-cha! Sorry, that's weird. I may need to make a part 2 because I'm only on the puppets and things, so I probably will have to make part 2. So yeah. Pictures of this. Maybe right here. Looks pretty good. Sorry guys, you can't see it. I wish you could. Yeah, but you would just fall. I am going to add these little puppet bites. I call them puppet bites because they're like puppets. They're like mini puppets that act straight into the hopes and dreams of... Yeah, okay. So, I think I'm also going to do something with the zippy bracelets because the zippy bracelets kind of take up a lot of room. Look. Okay, whatever. I think I have an idea. So, you know how these connect and I have this right here? I can connect them all and put them on there. It will take a while, but that's okay. Because when you put your mind to it, you can do anything. Yeah, you can do anything, by the way. If you put your mind to it, you can do anything. Like anything. Even if you want to be a mayor or a magazine cover person, do it. Because I believe in you. All eyes on me. Or should I do like that? And then there will be like some hanging down. I think that's a better idea. Because I don't want the other ones falling out. So, guys, I am going to have to make a part 2. can be quiet sometimes. It's just like, I don't want my family members walking in on me while I'm making a video, because that would just be weird. That's pretty cute. So yeah, I love the kit that came and was a little like this metallic in here. Like, do you know how cool that is? And I think I'm gonna have to make a part 2. Bye.